Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, if you are a content writer or if you want to become a content writer, then this video is very helpful for you. In today's video we will discuss about the top 3 websites which are very useful for content writers and which can increase their productivity and save their time a lot. So let's move towards our first website, which is called Copyblogger. Copyblogger provides you content marketing tools and trainings. You can get their services, you can read their articles related to content writing and content marketing. So in content marketing, as you can see, copywriting, email marketing, internet marketing, SEO, and conversation optimizations. And you can also search about their services. So as you can see, this is Megan Monet blog, 15 personal branding examples to learn from, 12 copywriting examples driving 7-figure business, content repurposing strategy, and freelance writing niche that pay well. And these all blogs are related to content writing, so it's helpful. So let's see their services, and they can also provide you services related to content writing and SEO. So after that, copywriting 101, how to strategically deliver words that get people to take actions. It's a very good blog. Email marketing, internet marketing, search engine optimization, and conversion rate optimization, how to turn traffic into sales. It's provide you the best blogs related to content marketing and content writing. So let's move towards our second website, which is called HubSpot.blog. And you can, this is the Wikipedia of article writing or content writing. You can read blogs related to marketing, sales, websites, hustles. You can get newsletters, you can learn from videos, marketing with HubSpot and marketing against the grains. You can watch podcasts related to content marketing and article writing, and resources, templates, academy kits, tools, ebooks, all are free. So HubSpot is very important, so must visit this if you are a content writer, if you want to become a content writer. So the last website is Grammarly blog. uh, I think you know that Grammarly is an online extension which uh, which point out the grammatical mistakes in your content, and this is very important because without the proper grammar, your content do not worth. So these are their tips for students, for companies, for professionals, to how to write content, how to uh, make less mistakes or no mistakes. You can check their processes: education, student for institutions, work and product, and resources, AI writing tools, grammar checker, plagiarism checker, paraphrasing tool, and etc. This website is really helpful in your content writing career. So these are the 3 websites, and these all are the most important. So must visit these websites if you want to become content writer or article writer, etc. So that's it from my side. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.